You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. If you want to learn more confusing food names, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to learn from. This is used primarily as animal feed, and it's pronounced in English, the pronunciation, Zea Mays. Maze, yes, like a maze, a maze where you don't know where to go. Zea Mays, how to pronounce in English. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. Zea Mays. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.